Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So with this 9th look, our Navratri makeup series comes to an end, and I had a really great time filming all these 9 different looks for you guys. So you guys have to let me know in the comments which look was your most favorite. So now if you guys want to know how to achieve this last look of a Navratri makeup series, then please continue watching. Starting off with priming my skin, this is my Urban Decay's All Nighter Face Primer. It preps, smooths and perfects. Now I'm just going to apply some of my professional primer. And before going in with my foundation, I'm going to spray some of my e.l.f. This is their Dewy Setting Mist. For foundation today, I am using my e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. This one is in the shade 340 Almond. So going to apply this foundation with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. For concealer, going in with Tarte's Shade Tape Concealer in the shade 34S Medium Sand. To set my under eyes, I am today using my Color Bar's Flawless Airbrush Finished Loose Powder. This one is in the shade Beige Classic. I haven't really used this powder so much. This is my Morphe's E48 brush. And guys, for the rest of my face, I am going in with my favorite NYX Hydra Touch powder. This one is in the shade Golden. Using my favorite Real Techniques blush brush. For my blush, I am applying my favorite blusher from K-Beauty. This one is in the shade Soft Nude. And I will be applying it with my favorite blush brush. This one is Morphe's E4 brush. Be really careful while applying this blush because it's so pigmented. I can easily go overboard with this one. For highlighter, I am applying my Anastasia's AMREZY highlighter. So we are done with our complexion. Now I'm going to quickly finish one set of my eye makeup and I'll see you guys in a second. Today I am using my Morphe's Dare to Create 39A eyeshadow palette. Going in with Pine shade first. It's a nice dark olive green khaki eyeshadow. So this will go on our outer V, and then as always I'm going to blend it inwards. This shadow in particular is very powdery and has a lot of kick up, and it's very soft. It's kind of broken now. I'm just going to blend the edges now. This is my Zoeva's soft definer brush. Now I'm going to take Fickle, okay? This is a really nice light olive green shadow, and I'm going to blend Pine. Applying some on my outer corner. Now this is my Zoeva's Luxe Crease brush and I'm going to blend this again. Now this is going to be a transition color. I'm going to blend all the edges with this color. It's called Define Me. And this is my Sigma's E40 brush, just very lightly. Now on my eyelid I will be applying So Glam, which is this one. Applying with my MAX 239 brush. Going to spray my e.l.f. mist. Applying Pine again on my lower lash line. Now applying Fickle. To define my eyes a little bit, I will be going in with this shadow. It is called Forever, okay, which is this one. So I will be applying it on my upper lash line as well as on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Now right in the center, I will be going in with my Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Applying ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade Charmer on my waterline. This is my Maybelline's The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. So done with our eye makeup, and now I am going to wear my false eyelashes, and I'll quickly come back for my lip color. For my lip color today, I will be mixing these two shades. These are Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So this one is in the shade Nude Latte and this one is in the shade Nude Myth. So first going in with Nude Latte. And now applying Nude Myth. And lastly, I am again going to spray my e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist.